completion of the first phase of our task here. We have finished the major components of the industry, which are made up of the sintering plant. It's 100% now. The blast furnace itself is also 100% to completion, except for very minor touches. We also have a power plant that is also complete 100%, and definitely we are going to start powering it on the 23rd of May this year. This power plant is going to produce 50 megawatts. We will also be producing another 20 from the blast furnace to complement the 50. So in total, locally produced power is going to be 70 in total. We have also finished the construction of the power line, the 88 kV line from Sherwood block in Kwekwe, which is already here, and already we are energizing the whole plant using the conventional power that we have drawn from Kwekwe, about 100 kilometers away from here. That was quite a very big project. However, we're not ending there because we envisage establishing another 400 kV, because this blast furnace is the only one. We are in the first phase. We want to have at least 6 of them in the future, which means we have got a high demand of power. Now, we also have completed a very big workshop, which I think could be the largest in the country, where we are equipped with sophisticated machinery, and a lot of fabrication takes place there. I can tell you that even after we have finished construction, that workshop will be at disposal for the whole country, because we'll be doing even products such as pipelines, pipes. We can actually produce pipe of a diameter of 1.8 meters, which means our workshop is going to be beneficial even to city councils, to farmers, and all areas where there's need for water. We participate in that even after the workshop is finished, the main work of production of steel to construct it. So we have also quite a number of employees that have been recruited locally and are being trained by the Chinese experts that we have here. I can tell you that we have got a very good ratio where our local employees are attached to specialists from China. I'll tell you that at this company now, almost 80% of our employees are now, they can be able to do something. They are semi-skilled because of that attachment. And besides, we also attach students from local universities and colleges. I think now we've got over 20 students that we recruited last year in 2023. And as they graduate, maybe towards the end of this year, we'll take another lot. Now, we are almost ready to produce. Like I told you that we're going to start operating our thermal power station on the 23rd of May. It means we now have enough power to be able to start production of steel, which we envisage to take place in June, either early to mid-June. We start producing steel here. We also have a new town that has been planned by government. The town is called Manize. From our understanding, government is almost ready now to have this, to the town be groundbroken. Actually, that town is going to be called Manize town. It's going to be a big town, which also has got a university called Manize Metallurgy University, University of Metallurgy, which is going to be established. A university, once it's there, it means a big town. We are also intending to set up a dam, a big dam, which is as big as Lake Chiero here. No doubt, tourism will come out of that dam, and for the farming community is going to benefit in terms of water for irrigation. This is already a farming area where we are, And the soils that are around are quite rich, and we believe that once that dam is constructed, the region is going to improve in terms of food production. So there we are. We are good to go. I can safely say in June, production is going to start in all earnest as we start to officially commission our blast furnace. The market is actually waiting for us. We already have many inquiries from other countries like Zambia, DRC, and so forth. So there we are. Soon the country is going to have local